I'll tell you what, I'm sick of these goddamn kids on these fucking carnival rides. Wheels on the bus. Around and around.
Is your name even Anna? Huh? Or is it something terrible like Gwendolyn?
雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片苍茫。
Well, can't you just take a plane?
How, punk? We don't use money in hell, nigga.
Well, damn, nigga, there's gotta be some way.
There's fucking Cyrus!
And Dennis.
And Dennis!
And Terry, too.
And Terry, fuck off, let's go.
I'm like the biggest dude in this office.
Okay, well, my best offer is 7 grapes.
Hey, Julian. Fuck yo grapes!
Son of a stinking hunka. No, I really must transcend this. Munin Musa. Transcend. The humiliation is too much to bear. There is but one way of honor. I must kill myself.
I swear to God, if I have to clean up puke one more time on this fucking ride, I'm gonna drop kick one of these fucking kids. Now shut up there, goddammit! Oh, what the? Oh, fuck!
I swallowed some apple seeds today. Did you make yourself throw up? I tried, but I couldn't. Smoke some cigarettes. The smoke will suffocate the bacteria in your stomach. Okay, thanks.
What do you think about what he said about pornography?
Pornography? I've been looking at it all my life and it hasn't affected me anything.
We begin with breaking news out of Pennsylvania, where police have identified the man suspected in the murder of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Just hours ago, police identified Luigi Mangione as a strong person of interest. Police say the 26-year-old from Maryland had a written 3-page note about the insurance industry that could point to a motivation and mindset for the shooting. Police also recovered a gun, a silencer, and a number of fake IDs. 50-year-old Brian Thompson was killed last Wednesday in broad daylight in Manhattan. We're going to continue to follow this story and bring you updates as we get them.
Ben the soldier is here with us, folks, and I want to talk to him because, Ben, it's my understanding that there is a war going on right now. Am I right in this?
Well, actually, there are 2 wars right now.
2 wars? We're in the midst of 2 wars all at once. Now, the United States of America is engaged in both of these wars?
Yes, they
are. And are either of these wars happening on U.S. Soil?
Excuse me.
What is your job in the war? Are you a carrier of large weaponry?
Let me just interrupt. How about if we talk about how you used to bang?
For the last time, Parker, our pronouns are they, them. Not because we are non-binary, but because we are literally 2 niggas. Stand ready for my arrival, worm. You were given orders. You were given time. You were given more leeway than most, and yet I find this planet unprepared for the arrival of our Viltrum Empire.
This isn't a good time.
The Empire anticipated your resistance, which is why they sent me. I am Conquest, and I am your last chance to fulfill your duty.
You don't understand. All this is my fault. So the only thing I want to do right now is hit something as hard as I can.
good.